Spring is a special time for beauty and change. During this wonderful season, every woman wants to be looked at with a fresh point of view as they try to freshen up their everyday image. That's why the agency task was to link the Nivea Visage brand with the world of haute couture. Following the results of research, we discovered that the most popular designer with the most positive image for our target audience was the maestro Valentin Yudashkin. So he and his exclusively designed Nivea Visage clutches became the basis of the 2011 spring campaign for the full Nivea product range. After buying a complete Nivea Visage set, consumers received one of 4 stylishly designed clutches, inside which could be found a card with a unique promotion code. After registering the code by SMS, it was possible to take part in a creative competition and win a certificate for 50,000 rubles at the Yudashkin Jeans boutique, as well as the possibility to receive a dream outfit designed by the maestro. The 2011 spring campaign was announced on all relevant channels: TV, press, digital, BTL, PR, POS materials and outlets all around Russia. In all channels, the cooperation between Nivea Visage and Valentin Yudashkin was particularly emphasized. The results of this unique TTL campaign saw more than 100,000 designer clutches received by consumers. 12,000 POS materials were placed in outlets, and our special TV tag was shown 2,000 times. An unprecedented success was attained in the response rate. An incredible 46% of all the unique codes were registered in the competition.